I found this. I thought it was kind of cute. And I thought maybe you like it. So I decided to repost it and add little comments onto it. So listen to this man. I want you to hear what he has to say.
It's hard to even find a single 37-year-old woman, and then when you do, they have a tendency to fall into three categories. They're either A, super career-oriented, successful chick, so I'm out, right? Those girls are looking for a guy that owns a suit. I have a pair of slacks. I don't know where they are.
He's so wrong. If he finds a woman that's 37 years old, that she's successful and doing things and going about, and if she finds a man that she really likes, if he doesn't have a suit, she'll dress him up. Yeah. She'll dress him up, make sure he has the right clothes on. She'll make sure, she'll change him. She won't mind. She won't pass him up because he doesn't dress up in the suit. She'll just buy the suit. That's what they do nowadays. All right.
The second category of women single at my age are divorcees, and those women are like Chernobyl. They're beautiful, but something bad happened, and now we all need to leave it alone for a few years.
He's wrong again. Usually, when that second marriage happens, they know what they did in the first. Most people that have carryover things don't come from their relationships. It comes from their childhood. Most of the times when a woman or a man leaves a relationship, they leave it. And then when they're there away for a while, when they're gone from that relationship, they begin to look it over and think about it and decide what they should have looked at before and questioned before they didn't. But right now they're questioning because they don't want to lose again. They don't want a third. They want the second one to be it. So usually they come into the relationship determined that it's going to be successful. They don't want to fail again. So I don't agree with him. What about you? Let's listen to what else he has to say.
And the last category of women single at my age are women that have been single the entire time because their therapist hasn't quite got their pill combo locked down, and they still have episodes where they'll break into your apartment and set fire to kittens. I don't even have kittens, man. She brought them.
That's funny. But usually when a woman has waited that long to get married or have a relationship, she's more determined than ever. She's really serious about it. She's looked at a lot of things and made decisions. And sometimes that's why they don't get married at all, because they overanalyze everything. And a lot of times they're afraid that they will make a mistake, and they don't want to make mistakes. They don't want to make mistakes. So a woman, now I can only speak for women. A woman that waits that long usually is because there was certain particular kind of man she thought she needed and wanted. And she's waited to see him or to find that particular man. And sometimes her observation is based on what she's seen in the relationship with other people. Most people I've met that didn't get married usually is because they didn't want to fail. They were afraid of getting married because they're afraid of failure in marriage. So that's usually why they don't get married. They want to be successful. They're sincere. So these things are funny and they're laughable. But, there is something to them, but then there's not anything to them, because most women, when they're established and they're grown women, they're fully mature, they don't do the same things that younger women do. They make a decision If a man doesn't have a house and she really wants that man, he doesn't have a suit or a car, or he doesn't have anything, she'll do it. If she wants him, it means nothing to her. She'll train him. And that's just the way it goes. She will train him. So don't pass up women that have been single for a long time. And don't pass up these ladies in their 30s. Because they've made up their mind and they're not playing. If they want a relationship, they're letting you know they do want a relationship. Okay. If you don't agree with me, let me know. Let me know, because I'm not right about everything. I've been in the world a long time, but there's still some things I'm learning, some things I don't know. I don't think you can live long enough to know everything. Okay, hey, this is Janetta, and I'm so glad you came to sit and talk to me a little bit and listen to me. I'm grateful. Share it. Talk about it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it. All right. Ooh, my whistle is gone. Ooh. Talk to you later. Hey, this is Janetta, and you're watching Africa Speak